I recently went to a concert. It was an Odessa concert. As one of their openers, they brought out Big Wild. During his performance, he performed this one song that I thought would be really cool to make a video out of. The only thing was that I didn't know the name of the song, and I also didn't take a video of him performing the song, but I knew I would look it up later. So the next day, I went onto Big Wild's Instagram and looked at his story and saw that he had reposted this random girl's story who happened to have taken a video of the song that I really liked. I messaged that girl to see if she would let me use her video in the beginning of my own video. But why should you listen to me? What do I know about making videos? And the last step is export the video in the middle of a parking lot.